Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, it is March and there is a new Sheetload sketch out thanks to our wonderful Alicia at Call Me Crafty Owl. So I'm gonna use this March Sheetload sketch to make a few more Christmas cards. And I will be using this paper pad I got at Michael's. So I've gone ahead and selected the papers I want to use. And let me see the cutting guide. This one seems to be pretty straightforward. Now, in addition to the two papers, I wanted to make this a little bit easier. So I'm not going to be doing these circles for the image or sentiment. I'm going to be using these I guess they're like advent calendar images and sentiments. So I'll use these. I'm going to set them aside for now though. I'm back, and here are the 12 that I completed using this month's Sheetload. And again, these are Christmas cards that I made for my annual donation. What do you think? I think they came out okay. Now, I didn't add the little embellishment here on the side, but I think all in all they turned out nice. And I will stamp my personalized stamp on the back of them as usual, and a sentiment on the inside so that they're ready to go come December. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I appreciate your support. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.